All right, how are you? Can you tell us what company you're working for and what do you guys do?
Viking Hoses and Fittings, and we do fabricating and hydraulic cylinders mainly.
Excellent. And what are the challenges you're facing in your company right now?
Finding help.
And what are the type of solutions you've been looking for lately?
Something that's robotic.
Right at the right place. And we saw you demo the system, the Cobot Welder here. What really amazed you about this technology?
That it was easy to use, easy to program.
And what feature do you like the most that you can see applied in your shop?
The different kinds of welds you could do. You could do linear welding and switch right to stitch, or go around a corner, multi-pass.
Great. And do you see that technology really help your guys level up the productivity and produce more?
I see the possibility in the future.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you.